Introducing the brand new Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. A durable, reliable and an efficient backhoe loader launched by the global compact equipment leader Bobcat. The loader arm brace safely secures the arm in position during service. The boom lock safely secures the boom before embarking on road marching. Engaging the parking brake prevents accidental operation. Large rear view mirrors help the operator easily steer while reversing and moving on the roads. Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. The next big thing by Bobcat.